Hey, what is going on, everyone? Hope you guys are doing well. If you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys going to be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like or a thumbs up. It's going to help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and every one for you to see around the world. And I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same around the world. So let's get right into it, guys. We did phenomenal in the real estate market today. 100% completely passive. There's no need to recruit. This is not an MLM, and this is backed by real assets through tokenization. All right. So today we did on apartments on Miami, did 0.34% yield today, which is phenomenal. On the apartment, it did 0.45%. The lake house did 0.37%. House did 0.49%. The villa did 0.53%. Tourism did 0.59%. The commerce property did 0.61%. The business did 0.69%. Land plots did 0.76%. Development did 0.87%. And business development did 1% today. Let that sink in, guys. Is your typical banking system is giving you this? No, right? The banking system is there to just take, but not to be able to build. And this is what the rich and wealthy people have been doing for so long, guys. Okay, they're not keeping their money in the banking system. They put in their money to work, right? Now through tokenization, this is the future. This is the digital way and the faster way people are making money in real estate. Okay, they say by 2030, this will be a $16 trillion market cap. All right, let that sink in. That will create billionaires and possibly a trillionaire. Okay, but the thing is, guys, you have to position yourself early. Position yourself now. When you position yourself now and plant the seeds now, and then over time, the harvest will continue. Okay, so today, all right, today's Thursday. Happy Thursday to you. Today we did $20.34. Okay, which is phenomenal. And then let me show you. I like to be transparent. So what has been moving? So we are up in earnings, guys. $841.02 in total real estate income. Okay. All right. I own several properties, and the apartment Miami, right? I did $19.59. The apartment made me a total of $40.22. The house did $167.45, and the villa did $613.76. So as you guys can see, right, I've been a little over 20 bucks a day, which is phenomenal. And you have to ask yourself this, guys. The banking system, right, is there to just allowing your money to depreciating, just losing your buying power every single day. What I love about this is that this is attached to real assets that you don't have to worry about being a landlord. You don't have to worry about having a perfect credit score of 800. You don't need to worry about you have to come up with $50 or $100,000, right, to upkeep the property, right, to deal with all the tedious process that goes behind not just getting the property, rehabbing the property. You don't have to do that here with e-estate, right? E-estate has given us the an easy playing field for allowing us to have our money working for us, okay, while we sleep. So as you guys can see, over $841 in profit, which is phenomenal, right? So Look how it's grown every single day. 20 something. Imagine you making 20 something bucks every single day, consistently, every single day on autopilot, right? Allowing your money to work for you while you sleep. That's the wave, guys. That is the completely wave. And then I'm going to show you guys some properties right now that you can take advantage of. Okay? Because the properties, you can get started for as low as $10, right? $10 is just to get your foot in the door. But if you want to start making some bank, some serious passive income, right? You can start with 1,000, right? But it's totally up to you. I'm not suggesting you should, hey, go put 1,000. No. This is totally up to you, right? I'm just showing you the possibilities here of if you do decide to have to invest $1,000, right? And this is the breakdown, guys. You invest $1,000, you make $4.20 a day per day, and then per month is $88.20 per month, right? And then your break even point is 11 months, right? Where do you find in traditional real estate that you can break even in less than a year? Never. That usually takes several years in the traditional world of real estate, 3 to 5 years. But over here through Tokenize is 11 months here. And you look at it, guys, it's already 31,051 people has purchased this Miami property. All right. And then look how gorgeous this Miami property is. This is the most beautiful property out in Miami. Okay, look at that. Imagine just waking up every morning to see that beautiful view. Every single morning. Look at that view, guys. Look at that amazing view. Look at that amazing, beautiful view, guys. And I've been there too, guys. I've been at this amazing place. Beautiful place. It just smells so refreshing. When I was over there, guys, in Miami, it's a beautiful place, guys. I kid you not. And I've been in the Brickell. This is the front entrance of the property, right, out in Miami. So you guys see it. So let me show you guys an exciting property. This is the villa, right? I have 3,200 in here invested, and I'm well over $600 plus in profit already, guys. In profit already, which is phenomenal, right? So if you do the math here, $19.52. This is the projection. This is average, right? $19.50, and then you're averaging around $409 every single month on autopilot, guys. No need to recruit. No need to share this with a single soul. You invest $3,200, and your projection is a little over $400 plus every single month in passive rental income. If you put this in a REIT stock, you're not getting nowhere this percentage. Okay, so there's two income phase model that associate with investing into tokenized properties, right? You have the first phase is 18 months, so you're earning between 6 on the low end, so on the high end 20% every single month for the next 18 months, and then once 19 months and so forth, you're earning 10% a year, which is still great because you're beating your typical S&P 500, your typical REIT stock, majority of the REIT stocks on us, on REITs, right? And your typical 401k. Okay, so let that sink in for a second. All right. So, and this the total profit here. The total profit is $7,378.56. Your break even point is 7 months, guys. There's already a 500,000 plus people has invested into this beautiful $8 million mansion here. This is out in Los Angeles, California. Okay, look how beautiful this property is, guys. Let that sink in. Let that sink in. This is an immaculate, beautiful property here. So it's up to you guys to make a decision. And for those who are serious, who said, you know what, enough is enough. I want to start earning rental income. I don't need to recruit anyone or anything of that sort. Now is the time to take massive action by going to the link in the description right below this video. Okay. As soon as you click the link, guys, right below this video, it's going to bring you to a page where you need to put in your name and email. You're going to put your full name and you're going to put the full email address, okay? The reason being is that you're going to get a full notification to verify. You have to verify your email. If you do not verify your email, that just simply means that you will not be able to view the next page. So you have to make sure you put in your correct credentials, such as your full name and your email. Once you do that, you verify, it's going to bring you to the secondary page of watching that first video. Watch the first overview video, and then from there, you're going to watch all the remaining videos right below that overview video. All right, it's going to walk you through the whole process on signing up, how to get started, and how to fund your account. Very, very simple. Okay, we have another beautiful property here. This is a commercial property. This property averages about 0.61 to 0.81%, which is phenomenal, which I love very, very much. All right, this is located in Phoenix, Arizona. You can check it out, guys. And this is a very decent income, right? Let me show you guys. You can get started for as low as $10,270. That's the starting, right? And then if you put 10,000, this is your breakdown. This is the projection. This is not a guarantee here. No, this is no Ponzi here. This is real, legitimate opportunity that earns real income backed by real assets, guys. Okay, so if you invest $10,270, your projection profit totaling is $27,563.76. And the beautiful part about it is with this commercial property, the break-even point is 6 months. 6 months. On your traditional real estate, it would took a couple of years, right, to break even, and then you have to get a consistent cash flow, right? So we have over 196,454 people has purchased the commercial property, right? Which is phenomenal, awesome. I love it. You know, you can't beat that as well. So you're making a decent income of around $1,500 plus. Because $1,500 pay for a mortgage, pay your rent, buy a couple of groceries, right? Build yourself up, pay car insurance. So this is you feel that this will work well for you within your means. Let's get the ball rolling, right? So you have a decision to make, guys, whether this commercial properties, because we have numerous of different properties, right? You have to go what fits in your best interest, right? And if the commercial property fits in your best interest, go right for the commercial property. But I still want you guys to get educated and understand the everything in detail on how this works. Okay, this is the reason why I left the link in the link right below this video. Go to the link, take action on it, guys. Okay, now we have another property, right? This is the business side, right? For those heavy big investors, right? This is for you, right? So with the land property, the minimum investment is this amount, $51,310, right? And per day is $415,061. Per month is $8,727.81, right? Every single month is creating passive cash flow of over 8,000, and your break-even point on this land plot, right? On this land plot is 5 months, and your total profit is $157,100.58. Woo! All right. So there you have it, guys. Don't forget to take action on this. Right. There's many lives is being changed from this amazing opportunity. Okay. All right. Amazing opportunity. I'm already $163.30 so far. And then I've made more money as well too, but I took out some profits as well too, which is phenomenal. But earning passive income, it's a beautiful thing. Okay. This is changing the game, guys, so you don't have to depend on people anymore. Bug your friends, bug your family. There's no need to bug your friends and your family anymore. You can completely be 100% hands free. Don't share this with no one, and earning real passive income Monday through Friday. Okay. Saturday, Sundays is off. Right. Monday through Friday, you're earning an income, which is beautiful. All right. So thank you guys for reaching to this end of this video. Don't forget to follow me, like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.